Have you ever dreamed of turning your big idea into reality with the help of crowdfunding? Join me today as we create a Kickstarter account from scratch and walk through every step to get your project ready for launch. Let's make your dream project happen. Welcome to Funding Sparks. If you've got an idea, but don't know where to begin with Kickstarter, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have your Kickstarter account set up and ready to launch your campaign. Kickstarter is one of the world's largest crowdfunding platforms, designed to help creators connect with people who believe in their vision. What makes it unique is its all-or-nothing funding model, which motivates backers to support your project. Plus, it's a great way to test your idea and build a community of supporters before your product even launches. If done right, it can be the perfect springboard for your success. Many aspiring creators feel overwhelmed by the process of launching a Kickstarter project. The idea of setting funding goals, designing rewards, and promoting campaigns can be intimidating, and without the right guidance, it's easy to make mistakes that cost you time and backers. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'll break it all down into simple, actionable steps for you. Let's begin with the basics. Go to the Kickstarter website and click Start a Project in the top right corner. Don't have an account yet? No problem. Sign up with your email and create a secure password. Once you're in, you'll land on the Project Basics page, where the magic begins. Now, let's give your projects a home. Kickstarter uses categories to help backers find campaigns that match their interests. Choose a primary category like film and video, games, or design, and then a subcategory for more specific guidance. Pro tip: you can change these categories anytime before or during your campaign if needed. Your title and subtitle are the first things potential backers will see, so make them count. Keep your title short, clear, and intriguing. Use the subtitle to briefly explain what your project is about. For example, at title, Epic Adventures, a fantasy board game. At subtitle, a strategic game that takes you on a magical journey through uncharted lands. This is your chance to make a strong first impression. Next, add your project's location. Choose the city or area where you're based. This helps build trust with your backers and adds transparency to your campaign. A picture is worth 1,000 words, especially on Kickstarter. Upload an image that represents your projects clearly and grabs attention. The image should be at least 1024 x 576 pixels. Here is a tip: avoid using text, banners, or logos. They don't look good on smaller screens. This image will appear on your project's page, across the site, and on social media, so choose wisely. Videos aren't mandatory, but they're highly recommended. Campaigns with videos are more likely to succeed. In your video, introduce yourself, explain your project and why it matters. Show how backers' funds will make a difference. Keep it authentic, and under 3 minutes your phone camera works just fine for this. You don't have to launch immediately. Kickstarter lets you choose a launch date, giving you time to prepare. This date isn't locked in, so you can adjust it until you're ready to go live. Next, set the duration of your campaign. Kickstarter allows campaigns to run between 1 and 60 days. For the best results, stick to around 30 days. It's enough time to attract backers without losing momentum. Kickstarter is all or nothing, so choose a goal you're confident you can reach. Factor in production costs, Marketing expenses, Kickstarter's fees, 5% platform fee, and 5% processing fee. Use Kickstarter's tools, like their Google Sheets template, to estimate your costs. Rewards are what motivate backers to support you. Be creative and offer tiered perks based on pledge amounts. Examples like digital downloads, exclusive content, and limited edition merchandise. Make sure your rewards are both exciting and practical to deliver. If you're feeling stuck or unsure about creating rewards for your project, don't worry, I've got you covered. I'll be making another video dedicated to rewards soon, so stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe to Funding Sparks for more guidance on turning your funding dreams into reality. Now, it's time to shine. Write a compelling story about your project. Here are some tips. What are you creating? Why does it matter to you? How will you make it happen? Be honest, clear, and passionate. Backers love a good story, especially one that feels personal. Every project has risks. Acknowledge them upfront and explain how you plan to tackle them. This honesty builds trust with your backers and sets realistic expectations. With these steps, you're now closer than ever to bringing your idea to life. Finally, confirm your information. Add your name, photo, and bio to your profile. Link a bank account to receive funds. Complete your tax and verification details through Kickstarter's partner, Stripe. Make sure all the details are accurate because they can't be changed after submission. Before submitting, preview your project page. Check everything. Is your content clear and engaging? Do your images and videos look great? Once you're satisfied, save your work and submit it to Kickstarter for review. And there you have it. Your Kickstarter account is set up, and your project is ready to launch. Congratulations! Did you find this video helpful? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on crowdfunding. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. I'd love to help you out. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to Funding Sparks. For more tips, let's turn your big ideas into reality, one step at a time. Good luck with your Kickstarter journey. I'll see you in the next video.